सो हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ प्रीतम एंड आज जो है हम ए आई बी ई 9 का जो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर है वो बेसिकली सॉल्व करके देखेंगे। और राइट हैंड में लेफ्ट हैंड में मेरे इसके जो है आंसर की ऑलरेडी मैंने ओपन कर रखा है। एक्चुअली में मुझे जितने भी ए आई बी के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर हैं वो मुझे सॉल्व करने थे, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं अकेला सॉल्व करूँ, इससे अच्छा साथ में आपको भी इंक्लूड करूँ कि इन केस आपको आता है तो आपकी रिवीजन हो जाएगी, और अगर आपको नहीं आता है तो आप भी साथ में मेरे साथ रीड कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो ऑलरेडी मैंने आई थिंक ए आई बी 4 से लेके ए आई बी 8 तक मीन्स चार पेपर जो है, चार प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर ए आई बी के वो ऑलरेडी मैंने अपलोड कर दिए हैं। ये नाइन्थ है और इसको सॉल्व करके देखते हैं। ठीक है, तो इससे क्या होगा ना कि हमें रिवीजन, एक काइंड ऑफ रिवीजन हो जाएगा, हमें हमारे माइंड में एक पैटर्न सेट हो जाएगा कि ए आई बी किस टाइप का जो जोन है वो टारगेट करता है, किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस जो है वो अपने क्वेश्चन पेपर में इन्वॉल्व करता है। तो वो जो आइडिया है, रफली आइडिया, वो हमें मिल जाएगा। ठीक है, तो मैं करूँगा क्या, बेसिकली आई विल ट्राई कि 1 से 50 तक जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं सबको रीड करूँ और साथ ही साथ जो इसके आंसर हैं वो टिक लगाता जाऊँ। अब जब मैं टिक लगाऊंगा इसके जो आंसर्स है, करेक्ट आंसर्स, तो क्या होगा कि ये जो क्वेश्चंस है मुझे रिवाइज होते जाएंगे। ठीक है, सो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, स्टेट प्रैक्टिस फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कस्टमरी रूल इंक्लूड्स। फर्स्ट है स्टेट एक्शन, सेकंड है स्टेट क्लेम्स, ऑप्शन है ओनली वन, ऑप्शन बी ओनली टू, ऑप्शन सी बोथ वन एंड टू, ऑप्शन डी नीदर वन नॉट टू। दो चीज़ मैं बता दूं आपको इसको कंटिन्यू करने से पहले कि सबसे पहले एक आप अपनी स्पीड जो है वीडियो को देखने की वो फास्ट कर सकते हैं या फिर स्लो कर सकते हैं, डिपेंड करता है कि आपको कैसे देखना है। मैं काफ़ी स्लो जा रहा हूँ तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप अपना टाइम सेव करने के लिए इस वीडियो को फास्ट भी कर सकते हैं। और दूसरी चीज़ ये कि मैंने इसको डाउनलोड करके देखा ए आई बी का जो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पेपर था नाइन्थ का, बट ये इतना क्लियर मुझे मिला नहीं। तो हर जगह मुझे सेम यही क्वेश्चन पेपर मिल रहा था, थोड़ा ब्लर है, बट वी हैव टू मैनेज विद दिस ओनली। सो कंटिन्यू करते हैं इसको। ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट का जो राइट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन सी, मीन्स both one and two, means state actions as well as state claims. Question number two, the controller of certifying authorities in India must maintain a database of the disclosure records of first certifying authority, second cross certifying authority, third foreign certifying authority. Options है हमारे पास वन एंड टू, बी ऑप्शन बी टू एंड थ्री, ऑप्शन सी थ्री एंड वन, ऑप्शन डी वन टू थ्री। सेकंड का राइट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए विच इज वन एंड टू। क्वेश्चन नंबर थ्री, अंडर सेक्शन 37 ऑफ द आईटी एक्ट 2000 द सर्टिफाइंग अथॉरिटी कैन सस्पेंड द डिजिटल सिग्नेचर सर्टिफिकेट इफ फर्स्ट द सब्सक्राइबर इज फाउंड गिल्टी ऑफ malpractice, second the subscriber is involved in cyber terrorism, three the subscriber request for the same, four in the public interest। ऑप्शन है हमारे पास वन एंड टू, ऑप्शन बी टू एंड थ्री, ऑप्शन सी थ्री एंड फोर, ऑप्शन डी फोर एंड वन। सो थ्री का राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी विच इज थ्री एंड फोर। Question number four. In the cases before Cyber Appellate Tribunal, the appellant, option A, cannot appear in person without a legal practitioner. Option B, cannot authorize a legal practitioner to appear on his behalf. Option C, cannot authorize his officer to appear on his behalf। फोर का राइट आंसर ऑप्शन डी, वो देख लेते हैं ऑप्शन क्या है। डी, cannot authorize his relative who is neither his officer nor a legal practitioner to appear on his behalf। और इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन डी which is cannot authorize his relative who is neither his officer nor a legal practitioner to appear on his behalf। Question number 5, in the light of the Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013, which of the following statement is or are correct? Option A, the word rape in section 375 of Indian Penal Code 1860 has been replaced with sexual assault. Option B, rape is now a gender neutral offense. Option C, the amendment has fixed the age for consensual sex as 16 years। ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ दी अबाव। फिफ्थ का राइट आंसर है, अच्छा ये क्वेश्चन इसमें, ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये ए आई बी के थ्रू निकाल दिया गया है, तो इसको हम क्रॉस लगा देते हैं। नेक्स्ट पे चलते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर सिक्स, द ऑफेंस ऑफ स्टॉकिंग अपॉन सेकेंड और subsequent conviction is Option A, non-cognizable and valuable. Option C, cognizable and valuable. Option C, cognizable and non-valuable. Option D, non-cognizable and non-valuable. Sixth right answer है option C, cognizable and non-valuable. Question number 7. In kidnapping the consent of minor is option A, wholly immaterial. Option B, partly immaterial. C, wholly material. Option D, partly material. Seventh right option है option A, wholly immaterial. Question number 8. Under the provisions of the Trade Unions Act 1926, any person who has attained the age of dash may be a member of a registered trade union subject to any rules of the trade union to the contrary. Options हमारे पास 14 years, option B 15 years, option C 18 years, option D 21 years. 8 का राइट आंसर जो है वो है ऑप्शन सी विच इज 18 years. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Superior goods under the provision of the Consumer Protection Act 1986 imply option A, such goods and services which are of poor quality. Option B, such goods and services which are claimed to be genuine but they are actually not so. Option C, such goods and services which might be stolen in nature. Option D, such goods and services which are not usable in nature. Ninth right answer option B, which is such goods and services which are claimed to be genuine but they are actually not so. Question number 10. Who is liable to pay compensation in case of death or permanent disablement? ऑप्शन है हमारे पास ऑप्शन ए ओनर ऑफ द व्हीकल, ऑप्शन बी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, ऑप्शन सी ड्राइवर, ऑप्शन डी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. 10 का राइट आंसर ऑप्शन ए विच इज ऑनर ऑफ द व्हीकल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Indian Evidence Act applies to option A, proceedings before tribunals, option B, proceedings before the arbitrator, option C, judicial proceedings in court, option D, all of the above. 11 का right answer option C, judicial proceedings in court. Question number 12. Fact in issue means option A, fact existence or non-existence of which is admitted by the parties. Option B, fact existence or non-existence of which is disputed by the parties. Option C, fact existence or non-existence of which is not disputed by the parties. Option D, all of the above. So 12th का right answer option B, fact existence or non-existence of which is disputed by the parties. Question number 13. In a bailable offence, bail is granted as a matter of right. Options है हमारे पास ऑप्शन ए बाय द पुलिस ऑफिसर, ऑप्शन बी बाय द कोर्ट, ऑप्शन सी बोथ बाय पुलिस ऑफिसर एंड द कोर्ट, ऑप्शन डी ईदर ए और बी. 13 का राइट आंसर ऑप्शन सी बोथ बाय द पुलिस ऑफिसर एंड द कोर्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. द कंसिलिएशन प्रोसीडिंग्स ऑप्शन है हमारे पास ऑप्शन ए कैन बी यूज्ड एज एविडेंस इन एनी जुडिशियल प्रोसीडिंग्स, ऑप्शन बी कैन बी यूज्ड एज एविडेंस ओनली इन आर्बिट्रल प्रोसीडिंग्स, ऑप्शन सी कैन बी यूज्ड एज एविडेंस ओनली ऑन द discretion of the judge or arbitrator, option D cannot be used as evidence in any judicial or arbitral proceedings. 14 का right answer option D cannot be used as evidence in any judicial or arbitral proceedings. Question number 15. The Serious Fraud Investigation Office, option A, takes up cases suo motu, option B, takes up cases for investigation on the basis of application made by the people concerned, option C, takes up cases for investigation referred to it by central government, option D, all of the above. 15th का right answer option C, which is takes up cases for investigations referred to it by central government. Question number 16. Directive principles are option A, justifiable as fundamental rights, option B, justifiable but not as fundamental rights, option C, decorative portion of Indian Constitution, option D, non-justifiable yet fundamental in the governance of the country. 16 का right answer है option D, which is not justifiable yet fundamental in the governance of the country. Question number 70. Who has the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha? Option A, President, option B, Prime Minister, option C, Speaker of Lok Sabha, option D, Council of Ministers. 17 का right answer है option A, जो की बात करता है प्रेसिडेंट के बारे में कि प्रेसिडेंट जो है वो डिसॉल्व कर सकता है. प्रेसिडेंट हैव दैट पावर टू डिसॉल्व द लोक सभा. Question number 18. An amendment of the constitution can be initiated by introduction of bill for such purpose in option A, Council of States, option B, House of People, option C, either in Council of States or House of People, option D, none of the above. 18 का right answer option C, either in Council of States or House of People. Question number 19. Which of the following is a function of central pollution Control Board under the provisions of Section 16 of the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. ऑप्शंस है हमारे पास टू कैरी आउट, ऑप्शन ए टू कैरी आउट एंड sponsor investigation and research relating to problems of pollution and prevention, control or abatement of pollution. Option B to improve the quality of air. Option C both A and B. Option D neither A nor B. 19th का right answer है option B, which is to improve the quality of air. Question number 20. The destruction of fish by use of explosive. The destruction of fish by use of explosive or by poisoning the water is prohibited by option A the Indian Environment Protection Act 1986, option B the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, option C Indian Fisheries Act 1897, and option D the National Green Tribunal Act 2010. 20 का right answer है option C Indian Fisheries Act 1897. Question number 21. Section 10 of CPC does not apply. Option A when the previous suit is pending in the same court. Option B when the previous suit is pending in a foreign court. Option C when the previous suit is pending in any other court of India. Option D when the previous suit is pending in a court outside India established by the central government. Question number 21 का right answer है option B, which is when the previous suit is pending in a foreign court. Question number 22. Principle of res judicata is option A mandatory, option B directory, option C discretionary, option D all of the above. Question number 22 का right answer है option A mandatory. So principle of res judicata is mandatory. Question number 23. International law is a weak law because option A it is not enforceable as such. It is not a law but a positive morality. Option B there is absence of compulsory dispute settlement mechanism and independent system of sanctions. Option C it only includes states as subjects. Option D there is no dependable sources available. Question number 23 का right answer है option B, which is there is absence of compulsory dispute settlement mechanism and independent system of sanctions. Question number 24. Which of the following territories have been declared as common heritage of mankind territories? Question number 24. Which of the following territories have been declared as common heritage of mankind territories? Or number 1 moon, option number 1 moon, second high seas, number 1 moon, second high seas, third deep seabed, 4 Antarctica. Options हमारे पास option A 1, 2 and 4, option B 1 and 3, option C 2, 3 and 4, option D 2 and 4. 24 का right answer option B, which is 2 and 3. Question number 25. Which of the following is not the objective of the United Nations? Options हमारे पास option A maintenance of international peace and security, option B ensuring respect for treaty obligations, option C establishment of democratic governments throughout the world, option D promotion of better standards of life. Question number 25 का right answer है option C, which is establishment of democratic governments throughout the world. Question number 26. The committee that led to the passing of the Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013 was headed by option A Justice Dalbir Bhandari, option B Justice Altamas Kabir, option C Justice J.S. Verma, option D Justice J.S. Anand. 26 का right answer option C Justice J.S. Verma. Question number 27. What is true of perpetual injunction? Option A it is a judicial process, option B preventive in nature, option C the thing prevented is a wrongful act, option D all of the above. 27 का right answer है option B, which is preventive in nature. So what is true of perpetual injunction? That it is preventive in nature. Question number 28. The provisions of dash do not apply to the trade unions registered under the provisions of Trade Union Act 1926. Options हमारे पास the Cooperative Societies Act 1912, option A है the Cooperative Societies Act 1912, option B the Companies Act 1956, option C both A and B, option D neither A nor B. 28 का right answer है option C, which is both A and B. Question number 29. According to Salman, every legal right, option A cannot be vested in a person, option B is availed against a person upon whom lies the correlative duty, option C cannot oblige the person bound to an act or omission in favor of the person entitled, option D cannot have a title. 29 का right answer है option B, which is availed against a person upon whom lies the correlative duty. Question number 30. The binding force of precedent is destroyed or weakened by. Question number 30. The binding force of precedent is destroyed or weakened by option A. Public opinion, option B. Abrogated decision, option C. Res judicata, option D. Lis pendens. 30 का right answer है option B, which is abrogated decision. Question number 31. Which of the following is true in respect of government contract which does not conform to provisions of Article 299 of the Constitution? Option A. They are not enforceable in court against the parties. Option B. They can be rectified by the government. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. Neither A nor B. 31st का right answer option A. They are not enforceable in court against the parties. Question number 32. State Bar Council under the provisions of Section 35 of the Advocates Act 1961 has the authority to. Option A. Reprimand the advocate. Option B. Suspend the advocate from practice for such period of time as it may deem fit. Option C. Remove the name of the advocate from the state roll of advocates. Option D. All of these. 32 का right answer option D, which is all of D. All of these. Question number 33. Which of the following is untrue regarding qualification for a person to be admitted on the state rolls maintained by the state bar councils? Option A. The minimum age of requirement is 21 year. Option B. He must be an Indian citizen. He must be an Indian citizen. Option C. He must not have been convicted of an offence involving moral turpitude. Option D. They must not have been convicted of an offence under the provisions of the Untouchability Offences Act 1958. 33 का right answer option B. He must be an Indian citizen. Question number 34. Time which has begun to run can be stopped in case of option A. Minority. Option B. Insanity. Option C. Idiocy. Option D. None of the above. 34 का right answer option D. None of the above. Question number 35. If any instrument may be construed either as promissory note or bill of exchange, it is option A. A valid instrument. Option B. An ambiguous instrument. Option C. A returnable instrument. Option D. None of the above. 35 का right answer option B, which is an ambiguous instrument. Question number 36. How is the net worth of a foreign company calculated for the purpose of corporate social responsibility? Option A. The net worth will be calculated as per Section 198 of Companies Act 2013. Option B. It shall be calculated as per Section 197 of the Companies Act 2013. Option C. It shall be calculated as per Section 197 and Section 381 of the Companies Act 2013. And option D. It shall be calculated as per Section 198 and Section 381 of Companies Act 2013. And its right option is option number 4, which is option number D, which is it shall be calculated as per Section 198 and Section 130 Section 198 and Section 381 of Companies Act 2013. Question number 37. According to one of the theories of punishment, evil should be returned by evil. According to one of the theories of punishment, evil should be returned by evil. This theory is called the option A. Reformative theory. Option B. Deterrent theory. Option C. Preventive theory. Option D. Retributive theory. 37 का right answer है option D, which is retributive theory. Question number 38. Which of the following actions can be taken by a registrar under Section 4, subsection 5 of the Companies Act 2013? ऑप्शन से हमारे पास ऑप्शन ए. ही कैन डायरेक्ट द कंपनी टू चेंज इट्स नेम विद इन अ पीरियड ऑफ 6 months आफ्टर पासिंग एन ऑर्डिनरी रेजोल्यूशन. ऑप्शन बी. टेक एक्शन फॉर स्ट्राइकिंग ऑफ द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी फ्रॉम द रजिस्टर ऑफ कंपनीज. ऑप्शन सी. ऑर्डर बाइंडिंग up of the company on his own accord. Option D. All of these. Question number 39 का right answer option D. Question number 38 का right answer है option B. Question number 38 का right answer है option B, which is take action for striking of the name the company from the registrar of companies. Question number 39. Which of the following are included in the concept of state under Article 12? Option A. Railway Board and Electricity Board. Option B. Judiciary. Option C. University. Option D. All of the above. 39 का right answer option D. All of the above. Question number 40. The word procedure established by law in Article 21 means option A. That due process of law must be followed. Option B. A procedure laid down or enacted by a competent authority. Option C. the same thing as due process of law, option D, a law which is reasonable, just and fair. 40 का right answer option D, which is a law which is reasonable, just and fair. Question number 41, objection as to non-joinder and misjoinder of parties under order 1 Rule 13 of CPC, option A, can be taken at any stage of the proceeding. Option B, should be taken at the earliest possible opportunity or shall be invalid. Option C, can be taken in appeal or revision for the first time. Option D, either A or C. 41 का right answer option B, should be taken at the earliest possible opportunity or shall be invalid. Question number 42, objection as to the place of suing. Option A, can only be taken before the court of first instance at the earliest possible opportunity. Option B, can also be taken before the appellate court for the first time. Option C, can also be taken before the court of revision for the first time. And option D, all of the above. 42 का right answer option A, which is can only be taken before the court of first instance at the earliest possible opportunity. Question number 43, on the retirement, removal or death of next friend under order 32 rule 10 of CPC, the suit is liable to be option A, stayed, option B, dismissed, option C, rejected, option D, either A or B, or either A, B or C. 43 का right answer option A, which is stayed. Question number 44, in India, which of the following authorities has the power to block websites? Option A, CERT in, option B, MCIIPC, option C, DAC, DAC, option D, Ministry of IT. 44 का right answer है option A, CERT-in. Question number 45, the right of private defense is option A, available under all circumstances. Option B, available when there is time to have the recourse to the protection of public authorities. Option C, available when there is no time to have recourse of public authorities. Option D, all of the above. 45 का right answer option C, which is available when there is no time to have recourse of public authorities. Question number 46, which of the following can be considered retrenchment under the provisions of the Industrial Dispute Act 1947? Option A, termination due to ill health. Option B, abandonment of job by an employee. Option C, termination on account of reaching the age of superannuation. It's hard to pronounce. It's superannuation. So option C is termination on account of reaching the age of superannuation. Option D, none of these. 46 का right answer option D is 46 का right option है option D, which is none of these. Question number 47, which of the following statement hold true regarding improvement under the provisions of section 14 subsection 3 of the Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986? Option हमारे पास, it may be extend to 1 year, or it may be extend to 2 years, or it may be extend to 6 months, or it may extend to 1 month. Right option है 47 का option D, which is it may extend to 1 month. Question number 48, onus to prove reasonable excuse for withdrawal from the society of the other is on. Option A, practitioner. Option B, respondent. Option C, both A and B. Option D, either A or B. 48 का right answer है option B, which is respondent. Question number 49, a proclaimed person whose property has been attached can claim the property or the sale proceeds on appearance. Option, within 6 months of attachment. Option B, within 2 years of attachment. Option C, within 3 years of attachment. Option D, within 1 year of attachment. 49 का right answer option B, within 2 years of attachment. Question number 50, the question whether a statement was recorded in the course of investigation is a option A, question of law. Option B, question of fact. Option C, mixed question of law and fact. Option D, question of law or of fact, depends on facts and circumstances. 50 का right answer है option B, which is question of facts. So basically it's question of facts. ठीक है, और इसी के साथ हमारा जो है AIBE 9 का 1 to 50 क्वेश्चन हो गया है. ठीक है, इसका जो रिमेनिंग है वो है 51 to 100. ठीक है, तो इसको हम नेक्स्ट पार्ट में इसको हम बना सकते हैं. फिलहाल के लिए इतना, और इसको हो सके तो आप चाहे तो फिर से रिवाइज कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज आपके माइंड में ये ऑलरेडी स्टक हो चुका है तो फिर इसकी कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. अगर ये सारे क्वेश्चन आपको ऑलरेडी आते थे तो फिर ये तो बहुत ही इससे अच्छी कोई बात नहीं है, और नहीं आता था तो हमने साथ में मिलके 1 से लेके 50 तक AIB 9 का प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व कर लिया है। जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट है वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कंप्लीट कर देंगे। सो तब तक के लिए आप सभी का मुझसे जुड़ने के लिए धन्यवाद।